how to download and install Facebook. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Facebook app on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar. Type in Facebook and search for it. Select the first search result for Facebook. Tap on the install button. The Facebook app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed. So please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can now use the Facebook app on your mobile device. Simply tap open, give all the necessary permissions, then log into your account if you have one or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to use Facebook. And boom! You have successfully learned how to download and install Facebook on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.